After more than a year of living through this pandemic, we can finally see the glimmer of light at the end of what has been one of the longest and darkest tunnels we've experienced in our lifetimes. That light is the COVID-19 vaccine. I'm Dr. Mike Shea, Chief Medical Director and Critical Care Physician at Maui Health. At our vaccine clinics, in just over 6 months, we've administered close to 63,000 vaccines. And our efforts, along with our county district health office and dozens of other pharmacies and medical groups, have helped us reach more than half the residents on Maui. But we're not done, and it is not enough. If you are still hesitant about getting vaccinated, we understand. If you're hesitant about vaccinating your children ages 12 and older, we understand. Getting vaccinated is a very personal decision. However, the effects of catching COVID, or even worse, spreading it to a vulnerable loved one, are even scarier. For one, the new Delta variant is more contagious and causing more severe symptoms than previous variants. And while fewer people are susceptible to being infected, those that still are, like you, if you haven't been fully vaccinated, are in even more danger. Additionally, we are seeing more and more cases of long-haul COVID, and people are suffering debilitated long-term side effects of COVID, some for months and months with no end in sight. People are not being able to return to work, to sleep. They are suffering long after recovering from the virus. Many of these people were otherwise healthy, active, and young. We are not truly safe to gather and travel freely until a majority of our island is vaccinated, especially as we see more trans-Pacific travelers than ever. And personally, I can't wait to hang out with my friends without wearing a mask. That won't happen until most of us are vaccinated. I got vaccinated, and so did my family and loved ones. As a healthcare provider, I can tell you that any potential side effects or risks related to the COVID vaccine are by far outweighed by the risks to your health that COVID poses. Only you can decide what is right for you. Please do your research and trust only official sources of information. To learn more, please visit mauihealth.org/COVID vaccine and stay well.